Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to download and install the apps on your iPhone 17 series by following these steps. So let's get started. The first thing which you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to internet through either your Wi-Fi, which will work the best, or the cellular data. But you will need to be connected to internet first. The next thing which you are going to do is to go ahead and find the app store, which is default app on your iPhone, and go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you might see a menu like this. You are going to tap on this profile icon and make sure you are signed into your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free by following these steps or sign in to the existing one. But Apple account is required in order to download any apps. Now, with this requirement met, all you are going to do is to come below in the browse for apps that you want to install. For example, I go and search for, let's say, for example, I wanted to download the HBO Max and I will see the word get. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. And then after that, it is going to say install. Click on install and then you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, all I did was enter my Apple ID password for this account. I'm going to hit confirm. You might also be prompted to double click on the side button, or you have an option to save it. It doesn't matter. Or you might be also again prompted to do a Face ID verification. Now it is being downloaded and I can exit out of this or download another app, and you will see in the home screen the app is being downloaded and installed at the same time. If you don't see it on the home screen, try to swipe to the very last page under recently added. You can also find the app there. So guys, that's how you can download and install any app on your iPhone 17 series. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.